Your website might be secure, your SSL certificate might be valid, and everything might look perfectly fine. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your security depends on someone else. When people talk about cybersecurity, they usually focus on things they can control. Firewalls, encryption, SSL certificates. But what if I told you that even if you do everything right, you can still be exposed? Not because you failed, but because someone else did. And in 2026, this is becoming one of the biggest hidden risks on the internet. Part 1. The illusion of control. Most businesses believe that if their website has HTTPS, if their SSL certificate is active, and if their system shows a secure connection, then they are safe. And on the surface, that makes sense. You install SSL, configure your server, follow best practices, and everything seems under control. But the reality is different. That control is only partial, because SSL doesn't work in isolation. It works on trust, and that trust extends beyond your own system. Part 2. How trust really works. To understand the real risk, you need to understand how SSL actually works. When someone visits your website, their browser doesn't just check if your certificate exists. It checks who issued it. This is where certificate authorities come in. These are trusted organizations that verify your identity and issue your SSL certificate. Your browser trusts them, and because it trusts them, it trusts you. This creates a trust chain. Your website, your SSL certificate, the certificate authority, and the browser. And if every link in that chain is valid, the connection is considered secure. But here's the key insight. That chain includes entities you don't control. Part 3. The hidden risk. Your security is only as strong as the weakest link in that chain. Not just your link, but every link. If a certificate authority is compromised or makes a mistake, it can issue certificates incorrectly. Certificates that look valid but shouldn't exist. And when that happens, attackers can impersonate real websites, intercept traffic, or create fake secure connections, all while showing the same secure lock icon. And the most dangerous part? You might not even realize it. Because from your perspective, everything looks normal. Your system is secure, your SSL is valid, your configuration is correct, but the trust chain has already been broken. Part 4. Real-world impact. When trust breaks, the impact is immediate. Browsers can revoke trust instantly, websites can be flagged, connections can be blocked, and users will see warnings like, "Your connection is not private," even if your system is working perfectly. From a business perspective, this is critical, because trust isn't just technical, it's psychological. The moment users lose trust, they leave. Traffic drops, conversions disappear, and your brand takes a hit. Not because of something you did wrong, but because of a dependency you didn't fully see. Part 5. What businesses must do. So what should businesses do? It starts with shifting your mindset. Security is no longer just about protection, it's about visibility. You need to understand not only your own system, but also the systems you depend on. This means monitoring your certificates, tracking certificate transparency logs, verifying issuers, and ensuring your trust chain remains intact. Because in modern cybersecurity, trust is distributed. And if you're not actively managing it, you're leaving gaps you can't see. And those are exactly the gaps attackers look for. The internet runs on trust, and SSL is a fundamental part of that system. But trust is not absolute. It's layered, interconnected, and sometimes dependent on people and systems you don't control. That's the reality of modern security. So the real question is not, is your website secure? But do you understand what your security depends on? Because in 2026, that difference is everything.